Hello everyone, welcome back to Claydesk, your number one channel for latest tech trends. We're diving into a burning question today, and I'm going to talk about, just in this brief video, the YouTube TV versus YouTube Premium for 2025 and which option is better for you. Now, you already have it, or if you don't have it, well, this video is for you. So let's dive right in and check it out, and I'm going to give you the brief, to the point, detailed differences between the two. So let's break down exactly what each of these services offer, right? And how much do they cost and who they are better suited for. So you can then make the best choice. And that's really what this video is all about. So, and by the way, if you have not liked, subscribe, well, now is the time, right? So hit that bell icon too, so you can actually get all the notifications. So first off, let's get clear on what these services actually are. Now, YouTube TV and YouTube Premium might sound familiar, right? And not only is it familiar, but they're very similar. So a lot of folks get confused about, well, which one is better, what to do, which services, what features and whatnot. So I'm going to break them down very, very simply for you. But they're very different, by the way. So keep this in mind that these services are actually different when it comes to content, purpose, and functionality. So once again, content, purpose, and functionality, these two services are actually different. So let's talk about first YouTube TV very briefly and concisely. So YouTube TV is all about live streaming. So it's a full replacement for the traditional cable. There you go. So now you know if you want to get YouTube TV, you are going to basically get rid of your conventional cable, which has over 100 channels, including sports, news, and entertainment. So YouTube TV has over 100 channels, right? Just like your cable TV, perhaps. You also get, the benefit here is that you get unlimited DVR storage, which means you can record and watch your favorite shows, your sports shows for later. And it also supports simultaneous streams across your household. That's pretty good. Because with the traditional cable, right, you're stuck to perhaps one cable or two cable unless you get these boxes all over the place. But in essence, YouTube TV is where it's supported and you can have 3 simultaneous streams across your entire household, your family, right? All right, that's all about YouTube TV, very briefly. Now, YouTube Premium. Remember when I mentioned that these two are distinctly different, right, in purpose, content, and functionality? So let's talk about YouTube Premium. Now, YouTube Premium, on the other hand, enhances your regular YouTube experience. Let me say that again. It enhances your regular YouTube experience. No live channels here, but you get ad-free videos, background play, offline downloads, and access to YouTube Music Premium. So there you go. So now you have some different benefits, right, that you can actually get from YouTube Premium that you don't get live TV. Keep that in mind. That's the biggest, I guess, the important difference, right? Now, let's dive into a little bit of features and see that makes each, service unique. So, and the reason why I'm doing this so that you can actually, take a look at it and then decide which option is better for you and better suited for you or your lifestyle. So with YouTube TV, let's start with that. You get a ton of options. You get unlimited DVR storage, like I mentioned earlier, especially for someone who likes to watch on your schedule. You can also add packages like 4K streaming, Sports Plus, and premium channels like HBO. That's great. Showtime, if you want more variety. So you just do not get regular cable, but actually get additional channels that you wish to use, like HBO and Showtime. Now, on YouTube Premium, on the other hand, by the way, the big attraction is that it's ad-free. And I mentioned this earlier too, but it's really, because if you're watching longer shows or longer videos or maybe tutorials, just like we have on our YouTube channel, guys, right? Well, yeah, we have ads, but there you go. So you get the point, right? So if you want ad-free, this is a game changer for you, especially if you're a regular YouTube user. It also includes offline downloads, YouTube Music Premium, so it's perfect for those who enjoy on-the-go streaming without any interruptions. Makes sense, right? So now you know the key differences as well as the features about the two services. So you can better decide moving forward into 2025. All right, pricing and plans. Let's talk about the cost of each option. Pretty straightforward. YouTube TV is $72.99 per month, which is $72.99 per month for the base plan. You can add more features like 4K, for example, for an extra fee, and they offer a Spanish-only plan for $34.99 per month as well. Now, YouTube Premium, on the other hand, the cost only is $13.99 per month for individuals and $22.99 for a family plan. Remember, you get 3 options, right? You get 3 household. Yeah, you get the point, right? The price difference is, of course, noticeable, but keep in mind, Premium does not include live TV, and I keep saying this. I'm getting a lot of comments here, by the way, in my previous videos about, these guys here that I make, that it's not live TV. Keep that in mind. All right, so let's conclude. Let's give it a final shot. Who should get what? So here's a big question. Which one should you go for? Now, here are my recommendations. So hear me out. If you're looking to replace cable or want access to live TV, sports, and major networks, YouTube TV is the way to go. It gives you the flexibility to watch live or save shows to watch later. Now, on the flip side, that's the flip side. Well, that's a circle, but that's really, on the other hand, if you're moving into regular YouTube content and want or hate ads, sometimes when I'm watching longer videos myself, by the way, I don't want to be interrupted, right? So that's because I'm a regular YouTube user and a creator also. So if you do not want, ads or any interruptions, YouTube Premium is the best budget-friendly choice for you. Plus, you get YouTube Music. Well, perfect for music lovers. So that's our breakdown for the YouTube TV versus YouTube Premium. Probably, hopefully, give you a better sense for in 2025 when you make a decision which option is best for you. And I've given you all the details, given you the benefits, features, and pricing as well. And of course, suits your lifestyle, you choose that. So this video will help you decide which service is right for you. So if you found this content review helpful, by the way, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comments which one you'd go for, YouTube TV or YouTube Premium. Thanks for watching. My name is Syed. I'll see you guys next time.